Okay, fine. So today this is a third day class in the Python. Today we are going to first see the yesterday class, some continuation in the set and string. Followed by we will be learning about the dictionary and loops. Now I'll hand over the session to Mahalakshmi.
Good evening to everyone. Today we are going to see the last session continuation and with the dictionary also. So yesterday we have seen about sets. In sets I only told a few functions. Today we will see few more functions in the sets. So I am just entering into the shell. So I am going to create the list which is having apple, banana and cherry. I am creating one set. So one more, yesterday we have told you how to convert a list into the set. There is one more option, you can create the set with curly braces. If you create a list with curly braces, it will be a set. So I am going to create apple, banana and cherry. So now we have created the set. You can convert a list into the set by using yesterday option, like set function. You can use it and you can convert it. Now you can see it by typing this set. So this set contains cherry, apple and banana. Listen, I have given apple, banana and cherry, but you are getting the output as cherry, apple and banana because this set is an unordered list. So once you create the list, you will be getting the output in the same order only because it will be mentioned with the indices. Whereas in the sets, it is an unordered list. So you will not be able to access the elements from the set. It is an unordered collection. So it will be in the random order. So you cannot access it by using index. But you can extend the set. I mean, you can extend it by using the update function, and you can include one element through the add function. Using add function, so these many operation you can do. I am just adding one more element in it. Orange I am adding. If you want, you can add few more also. So now you can see the assets. It is having the added element also. You can add multiple items by using the update command. You can add the list. Using update function, you can add a list of elements which you want to add it. Mango grapes. I am adding 2 fruits. papaya. I'm adding 3 fruits by using update function. So update is the function which is used to add multiple elements in the list at the same time. So this is our set now. You can use a copy. Like copy function is used to return a copy of the set. If you give this set dot copy, this will return the copy of the set. Then discard function. This discard function is used to eliminate particular item from the set. If I want to remove banana from the set, then I can remove it. Now you can see the updated list. So banana has been removed. Using remove. So using remove also, you can remove any particular item from the set. So both will be doing the same operation. You can take any of the function. So now I have removed cherry and I have removed banana using discard, and I have removed cherry using remove function. You can use intersection, sorry, pop also. There is a one more option, pop. So now the removed item is papaya. Again I am giving so next apple. If you look at the index, sorry, if you look at the set, it will be removing the first item from the set, but it is in the random order because there is no index. It may be eliminating in any order. Yesterday already I have told you. I will create one more set. I am creating one more set to do the set operations like intersections and union and all. Now one more set I have created. So two sets are there. You can use this set dot union of x. X is the another set. So you will be getting the output of union of both the sets: apple, banana, cherry, chiku, mango, grapes, orange. Then you can see the intersection. For intersection, first I will update any of the list so that it will be giving the common element. One second. Row line up.
Copy paste please.
Copy panel. Okay. So I am just adding one element in the X set, which will be common in both the set of this set and the X. I am giving orange so that both it will be common in both. So now orange is common in both. So if you perform intersection operation, then you will be getting a common element. So orange is the common in both. Then you can do the difference also. This set dot difference. X. So you can see the difference between the both the set, this set minus X. So in X set, orange, cherry and apple, banana are there. So it is like this set minus X. You see the X. So orange is common. So it will be subtracted from that, and rest of the mango, grapes, chiku, you will be getting it from the this set. This set minus X. So orange will be subtracted, then you will be getting the this set elements as your output. So one more function, which is the intersection update. For that, I have given one example. X is a list which is having apple, banana and cherry, and Y is the, sorry, it is not a list, it is a set. So Y is the another set which is having Google, Microsoft and Apple. Now we are going to use a function intersection update. Intersection update of Y. You see the output. I will run it. Python space file name demo 10. You see the output, it is apple. Intersection update. So it is common in both. So intersection update. You are getting it from the X and Y. Then we are continuing to the string part. So you can access the string. Look at the example here. I have taken the variable name. In that name, I have just assigned the string called Arul. So you can access each and every element from the string by using the index in the string. If I am accessing name of 0, then you will be getting the first character as your output. If I am accessing name of 1, you will be getting R as the output. Then if you are accessing 2, then you will be getting U. Again, I am going for shell to show you the output. So I am taking name equal to Arulalan. If you want to access the character from this, then you have to give name of 0 Then A will be accessed. If you will give A of 4, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So fourth index of this string will be accessed. So you can access the string like this. Then you can add two strings with the plus symbol. Again, I am giving national plus center. I am adding two words using word symbol. Then I am, you see the output national center. If you want a space, then you have to use space in any of the word. By using plus symbol, you will be easily adding the two strings. You can split the strings as well by using split function. Now I am going to give this is Python string. I am typing like this. Now I can split the string using any character or any string. Now I am just showing you by using a space because this sentence having 4 spaces. So I am going to split this by using space. So you can see the output. So this string has been splitted into 4 because this string is having, means this sentence is having 4 spaces in it. So I can split it with space. Excuse me. One more we can do. You can split with, we will try splitting with some other. I am trying to split it with yes. So yes is present in this sentence 3 times. You see the output. So here yes is there. So it has been splitted this sentence thi as 1. So it will be splitting and it will be giving it as a list. So thi it has splitted. Then it has splitted with this space and I as another list. Then from here, from this space to this space, it has splitted to another element. Then from here to here, it has splitted into another element. So now you are getting the list like this because we have splitted this sentence using yes character. You can see one more by using I. You see this, you are getting the list of I. So it has been splitted. TH has one element. So it's splitted where I is coming. Then S has another one. Then with the space and S. So this S and space is the second element. Then again I. So yes space Python till space str. So till this it is an another element. Then ing. So ng is the another element. So you can split of a sentence or paragraph like this according to your need. You can split with the comma also. Anything, whatever you want, you can split according to your wish. You can join also as well. See, again I am creating one more list. Is equal to, I'm creating a list here. Okay, we come out of the sets. Now we are going for list. I'm creating one list here, which is having A, B, C, D. So you can join this list with something by using join. So now I am creating one object which is having something to join in between that. If I want to join some symbol like this, now I am going to join by using s.join. S is the object and join is the function. Mu is equal to some other variable. So s dot join. We are joining to the list which we have created here, li. Now you see. So I have created one object, yes. So that s dot join we have given with the list. So I have created the hyphen to join with this list. So it has created a hyphen b hyphen d. You can add some other also. You can use some alphabet also. You see here now A, after that ADD added, after B again added, again C after it is added. Again I will give some other character. So you can add anything like this. Again you can split it. We have seen already how to split. If you want to split this, again you can split it. New dot split by using so it is splitted like this. You can create so you'll be getting the output like this. And one more already we have seen. Whichever you want to change into uppercase, you can give using upper function. Sorry, small is a string, so I have to give inside the quotes. So if you give small dot upper, then you will be getting it in the uppercase. Similarly for the big. So big letter you will be getting in the lower case. If you want to use the lower function, then you can use. Its capital letter function can be changed using lower. You can see the output. Then you can use the mixed case also. So mixed alphabets you can change into swap by using the swap case function. You can change into the small letter will be changed into big letter, and big letter will be changed into small letter. So like this, by using swap case function, you can swap the cases. Then we will be going to the dictionary. Not only this function, you have so many functions you can see here and you can explore it. There are so many functions: is title, is upper, join, lower, then translate. So you can explore it. Dictionary. Dictionary will be used to access the elements by using key values. So look at here. Here I have created one menu which is having idli, here idli, dosa, coffee and ice cream and 100. These left items are called keywords. This will be the values of that keywords. If you want to access the value of 2.50, then you have to access the key of idli. Then only you will be getting the value of 2.50. This is for to make you more clear. I have created like a menu. So idli cost is 2.50, dosa cost is 10 rupee, like that I have created. But you can create it according to your need. However you want, you can create it. Okay. So I am creating here the dictionary. So to create a dictionary, you have to create like a set. Inside, open and close brace. So now I am creating a dictionary menu, which is equal to idli. You have to give this keyword by using, separate this keyword by using colon. Then you can give the digit, or you can give any value. If you want to write a digit, you no need to give it into quotes. If you want to mention a string, then you have to mention inside the single quotes or double quotes, whatever, triple quotes. It has been told yesterday how to use it. So idli is a keyword. For idli, I am giving some 10 rupees. You have to separate the items by using comma. Then second item I am using, you can type it by one also, or you can just type it as a list also in single line. I am just typing one by one. Dosa, it will be like 20 rupees. Then 15 rupees. Screen. Sorry, I just pressed the enter, so it is throwing error. I didn't close it. Syntax error, invalid syntax. Okay, I forget to use the comma. 1 second. You have to use the comma to separate the list. So next I am adding one more item. So for the variables or keys, you have to use without space to access the keys. Then for the keys, you can use numbers also. Like I am here for the key, I am using 100 and just I am typing 100 only in output. Anything you can give as a accessing value. Now I am closing the set. So now dictionary is created. If you want to access elements from the dictionary, then you have to use the keywords which is written in the left side. If I want to access the value of 10, then I have to access, look at here. Once I give menu of square bracket, then it is asking dosa, ice cream, idli or vada, whatever you want, you can access it. I am accessing 100. If you access 100, then you will be getting the output of corresponding key. So right side value you will be getting it. So this is the accessing of dictionary, how to use the dictionary and all. If I want to use idli, then I am accessing idli. So you will be getting the value of the idli. So here you cannot use with the index. You have to access with the keys in the dictionary. So next we are going for loops. For loop. This example already we have seen in the last class using the range function. So better to run with example so that it will be easier to run. Day 11 for loop. Okay. Now we are going to see the same example so that you will understand. So for loop is just, it is a conditional statement. Sorry, it's an unconditional statement. If you want to run some statement for n number of times, then you can go for the for loop. How many times you want, you can just give it in the range, the for loop. Here I have given for I in range. Here you can mention the range for how many times you want to iterate the statements, or inside the loop, whatever you want to print or those things you can give inside the loop. This is the use of for loop. I will run and show you the output. Demo 5. It's demo 5. One second. Series testing. 10 or 5. So I forget to save it. So you are getting the for loop output. Here the range is from 1 to 5. So you are getting the output of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a list, and the for loop is over, which we have given in the print. So inside the for loop, you have to follow the indentation, and this colon also compulsory. Next, we can use the list also in the for loop. So here you can use this list. I'm just copying this list in the for same program. Instead of the range, I'm just copying a list which I want to print inside it. So now I'm saving it. Now we are going to run the program. Same program, instead of the range, I have given direct list. So you can give the list also, it will print one by one inside the loop. Instead of the range, you can give the list also here. You are getting this list element in the output one by one. Srini, Bala, Suresh, Arul. Next, you can use inside the for loop one more for loop. This is for loop, and inside the for loop it is there. We will see the output. So you can see the output. Srini, then 1, 2, then Vala 1, 2. So first for loop it will come. So inside the for loop, first element it will be taking Srini. So it will be printing that, then it will be going for the inside for loop J, and it is going to the range. It is starting from 1, then it is printing 1. Then again this for loop is not end. Again it will be going here, because this indent is getting over here, it will be going here again, then it is printing this number 2. Then this condition again, it will be printing the number 2, then again it is going here, the range is over here, then it will be going for this for loop, then it will be going for Bala. So you'll be getting the output of Srini first, then 1, 2, then second Bala it is going. Again it is printing the value I, the Bala will be printed. Then for the next for loop, J value in range. Like again range 1 will be printed. Once 1 is printed, again it will be going for this inside for loop, inner for loop. Then you will be getting the output of 2. Then this loop is getting over, then it will be going for this for loop. Then third element from the list will be accessed. So Suresh will be accessed. So you are getting Srini 1, 2 and Bala 1, 2 like this. You are getting the output. Finally, this when this is getting over, you'll be getting the print statement as your output. So inside the one loop, you can give another same for loop also. This is loop inside the loop. Then we are going for the while loop. Here I have given one game. First I have declared one number 23 as a number. then I have given running is equal to true. So in while condition, first we are giving some condition which should be true. Then if it is true, then it will be going inside the loop. Whereas in for loop, there is no condition. Like you can just iterate the you can do n number of iteration as much as you want. But in while, just there is one condition we are giving. First condition should be true. If it is true, then it can get into the loop like that. So I have given while running. First I am getting the input from the user. Guess is equal to integer. Listen, in the last class I didn't tell you like this. One day I have told input function and raw input function I have told. Today I have just convert this raw input function as a integer, which will convert this input as the integer. So integer of raw input, enter an integer from the user, means we are getting the input from the user. First condition, I am inside the while. It is a while loop, so we have to use this colon. Inside it, I am using if guess. Guess is equal to number. If you are guessing this number, I am telling print congratulations, you guessed it. So running, we are telling false, so it will come out of the loop. Then it will be writing print then. Or if you are not, else if you are not guessing this 23 number, you are guessing number which is less than this number. So in case you are giving like 20, then you will be getting the output as it is a little higher than that. We are telling giving a print that it is little higher than that. Else we are telling it's a little lower than that, like that. So next I am telling print done. This program I will run and show you the output. So same program I have copied here. We are going to run this program. Day 3. Demo 9. Python space demo 9.py. It is asking for the integer. I am typing 23. So it is telling congratulations, you guessed it, done. According to the program, once it is run, it is coming out of the loop and it is printing done. Again I am running. I am entering 45. It is telling no, it is a little higher than that. Okay. Actually, it should tell little lower than that. When you are entering the correct number, then only you will be getting the loop closed. Otherwise, it will be keep on running. Now I am entering 43. It is telling it is little lower than that. 43, if I am entering, it will be telling you that number is lower than this. Then I am trying for 25. Then again it is telling it is little lower than that. I am giving 20. It is telling little higher than that. So it is giving clue till you are finding the number. And entering 22. It is telling little higher than that. Then I am going for 23. When you are entering the correct number, then loop is getting exit. So this is while loop. So here we have used the condition as false. Instead you can use break also. If you use break, it will be directly coming out of the loop. You can use continue also. So a few more examples I will show you for the while loop. Demo 11, I'm just running it. You can see it. I have written I is equal to 1, I is lesser than or 6. It is checking the condition. If it is true, then it will be printing I plus 1. This is pre-increment. First I am giving I plus equal to 1 means this will be doing the pre-increment and it will be storing the value in the I. So you will be getting it from 1 to 5 as a output here. So you are getting 1 to 5 as a output. Then next program I will demo 12. I is equal to 1. Same. One more program. So you can see the output 1, 2, 3 you are getting. Here I have given that same. Inside that I have given if condition and I have used break. When I is equal to 3, that condition is coming. It will, I have given break. It will come out of the loop. So you will be getting 1 and 2. When I is equal to 3, it will be coming out of the loop. So here the iteration will be stopped. So you will be getting the output of 1, 2 and 3 only. It is pre-increment, so you will be getting 3 also here. If it is a post-increment, then you will not get the 3 over here. Continue. Okay, I will be hand over to my husband. He will continue the session with clearing your doubts and a few more topics. Thank you.
Sorry for the disturbance. Now, there is something called after break, I mean the break statement. One more statement called continue. It's just opposite to the break. It will not come out of your loop. It will just continue. Suppose so in the same just 1 second. So just to modify the program using continue statement, I'll just execute it and let you know. There's some bug in my code. Yes. So the purpose of continuous statement is that if you want to skip few set of the statements during some condition, but you want to continue to the existing loop, so that time we can use the continue statement. So for example, in this program, it starts with 1. Then while 1 less than 6, then immediately we are incrementing it. And if we are comparing equal, If it is 3, then we are continue. So otherwise it will print the I element. So in our execution, only that number 3 is not printing. Like it starts with 2, then 3 is not printed, but 4, 5, 6 are printed. So if I have any doubt in continue, then I will clarify it further. So what's time? Okay, I will take one more, just a quick, let me do it very quick example in Python. The power of Python I'm going to show you. In a single line, you can write a if and else statement. Similarly, you can write a single line. You can write a for loop. Multiple for loop also you can write. Suppose I'm keeping value is 10. Then new value. If val is equal to 10, else zero. See, sorry. Yes. So this is a single line statement. In a single line, you are writing if and else condition. If condition is true, and this whatever value you are writing before if statement, that will be returned. And else, suppose if condition is false, then the else statement after the else, whatever the value we are returning, that will be returned and assigned to this new. So this is in a single statement you can write a if condition. Similarly, in a single statement we can write a for loop also. Let me create some new for loop. See this. So what I have done, I have written the for loop for I in range of 10. So it is just returning from 0 to 9. And then whatever I'm returning it here, just I start to it. I'm multiplying the I with the 2. And then this outside, I'm just keeping it as a list. So it will be generating the list of elements. Suppose if you want to add some condition, then we can write condition also. If I, so what can we do? Like if it is less than, I'm making, this is a common operator. It will return the remainder. So I'm just multiplying with, only in this case, it will be returned like 0 and 10. Like we had already a range of numbers from 0 to 9, 0 to, yes, 0 to 9. And in that 0 is divisible by 5. And is that returns remainder is 0. Similarly for 5, it is returns remainder as 0. So only for this, it is multiplying with the 2. So 5 will be 0 will come here, 0 into 2, 0, and 5 into 2, 10. So similarly, you can write a multiple inner for loop also, condition also in a single line. So this is the power of Python, which I'm just want to show you. So with this, we are ending the session of day 3. Let us go to the question session. I'll just change the color of. Yeah, it's just a re-updating. So ask your questions in the link given to you already. Just a few seconds. So everyone, come to this question session and post your questions there. Yes, and it's day 2. Yes, day 3. Just to I need to tell you that yesterday somebody asked the presentations, so that presentation link also we updated. We shared the links of the presentation that you can see to day 1 and day 2 presentation that you can download. Somebody asked, like, I skipped the session of day 1, day 2. Can I follow from day 3? Yes, you can follow up day 3, but better you can watch this day 1 and day 2 YouTube videos so that you will not miss any, you will not get confused about the indentation and other list and all. So the next question is, in this list, pop function removes the last entry, but in set it will remove arbitrary. Yes, it will remove the arbitrary random number or random element it will remove. So what's the use of pop function in set? So that you have to decide what's the use. If you want to remove some random element, so you can use this pop function from set also. Please explain the advantage of set data types, pros and cons. So in set is like a Venn diagram. So we have studied the Venn diagram. So what's the use of Venn diagram? Once you define the like a Venn diagram, then you can do all the union operation or difference operation. And one more thing, set is allows it will not allow the duplicate. So let me create confused. So set is having this set. So if I want to add some existing number, say 5, okay. So but it will not adding another element of 5. But if I had 50, then it will be added. So it will retain the unique queue. It will not allow the duplicates. So this is the one of the pros. Suppose if we have random list, if you want to convert that random list to unique number, then you can convert that list into set. It will just return the unique numbers. Okay, then how can we read the content from a file as element in a for loop, like a for in read from file? So this will be explained tomorrow. So first I should explain how to read, then we'll go with this example. I'll show you that tomorrow, the answer for this. Okay, break and continue. Like some of the fellow audience not able to understand. So tomorrow we'll explain bit more because it's already 5. So we will try to keep the time. So tomorrow again we will start with the break and continue. We'll explain more clearly. Then we'll go with the functions. Tomorrow is day 4. No? Yes, tomorrow we'll show the functions and modules, also the possibly file IO operation. Then on day 5, I'll show some example or live demo for the writing script. Like I have few tasks which I'll be showing how to write a script, and I'll show how to do it. So if you have any further questions, then you can come to this place and write down the questions anytime here. And today's presentation also will be uploading and sharing it here, and I will email you. And again, we will see you tomorrow, same time, 4 p.m. And we thank you.
Thank you once again to everybody.
Thank you.